Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google's Antigravity to test a site autonomously without writing tests like Selenium, JavaScript or anything at all. It will provide recordings and also provide a report. Alright, so let's see what we have over here. And alright, so I am with Google Antigravity. Let me press Control E. Okay, so over here initially all I had was this manual text. So this one shows what was happening. So this is like, what does this site do? All right, so the said site, this is the site, is hosted on GitHub pages. So as you can see over here, this is the site. And yeah, it's just a simple site to test. So you can get information at com or something like that. You can see it's really working at gmail.com or something, gmail.com. And see, it's really working. Okay, so you can close on that. So this is the site that's supposed to be tested. So let's see what I went through and what was given. So this is the prompt that I have provided. The point that I provided, you can see over here. And then it did the magic. So let us look at the magic. Let me increase this screen. So over here, you can see it went through the whole site. So you can see over here, it produced this just with that prompt, no other test. So it went through the whole process. And then it provided this report. It shows you the scenarios that were tested and everything. This is really, really, really amazing. So I'm still testing it and looking how I can do it, but so far so good. So far so good. So these are the walkthrough phase. So it's still loading. So it shows you every single steps that it took. All right, so that's all. You can get all of this for free. So you can test it on your end at ramaken.gumroad.com prompt box. Over there, you will see something. What will you see? You will see this folder called autonomy. So you can take this autonomous and you can test it on your end with the prompt and everything. All right, that's all, and I will update you on more autonomy and test and more AI videos coming soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.